I'm starting a new chapter in my programming life. I'm going to be using pure PHP. In other words, no frameworks and no composer. Let's look at page 1 here. Okay, pure No-Framework PHP Introduction. I'm going to use the source code and educational material found in the PHP course I took. Okay, by source code here, I mean the sample project used in the course. And keep in mind, this course is actually 2 courses. It's the PHP Basics course, and it's the more advanced object-oriented PHP course. Each one of those had a project. Both projects are very similar, and I want to combine the best of both. Not only that, but I want to structure the file system for the project the same way that Symfony file structure is. In other words, I'll have an app folder. Let's see here. Let's look at my Symfony project. Okay, I'll have an app folder, a bin, I'll have an SRC, a vendor, and web folder. Okay? I will use JIT in the same manner as I did for the Symfony project. Remember, this is the project that I have backed up on Git, and it's called buscompa. Okay, that's this one. Okay, it's in the folder buscompa and sandbox. Okay? That one used Git. I'm going to use Git also in the same manner, and I can just use the same videos for how I set that up and what Git functionality I used. Okay, here's the initial functionality. Okay, besides having the functionality which I'm going to borrow from each project for the courses, the 2 courses, I'm also going to have this initial functionality for the unique part of my project. Okay, my project is for a bus company, or I want it also to be for a particular family organization. For example, I can have Jubs, the bus company, use my buscompanyx.com app, or I could use a family, like my family, or possibly some other family in my church. They may want to use the app called buscompanyx.com, okay? So, whether it's a family or a business, I will refer to those as an organization, okay? So, the app, it's going to want to know, what is your organization? Which organization do you belong to? Which member of that organization are you? And which apps does this organization have access to? Okay? Remember, this buscompanyx.com app is like, you know, the software model that Apple has, for example, or that Google has, or, you know, all these new companies. Maybe Microsoft does the same thing. Okay? Where basically you have something like an app store. In other words, buscompanyx.com has, let's say, 60 apps available. Now, each organization can purchase or subscribe to or have access to, let's say, a subset of those 50 apps, okay? So that's what this refers to. Which apps does this organization have access to, okay? So this is my initial functionality that I want to have. Okay, let's see what else I wrote here. I'll start by reviewing the course material. Okay, this is the next step I will do in my adventure. Okay, and then I will add code and database tables piece by piece so that I have a perfect mix of the code for from both courses. Remember, there's a project in each course and there's advice in each course. I want to use all of it. And my approach for this whole thing, just like I'm starting with simple pure PHP, I also want to take things step by step, incrementally build this project. And each incremental step will be documented in a video. All right, that's it for now.